Okay guys, so for today's video, so Friday tayo ngayon. So arms day lang tayo yung gagawin natin. So full bicep lang tayo, wala tayong ibang isasabay. So uubusin natin yung 1 hour ng bicep lang. So siguro makakagawa tayo ng 6 na workout sa bicep doon sa isang oras, okay? So 8:20 na ng gabi. Okay? So watch lang kayo hanggang matapos tong video natin. Then mag-comment pag nagustuhan ng ating video ngayong araw. Then mag-subscribe para lagi kang updated. Okay? So, let's go. Okay guys, so first workout natin sa arms day natin, nasa bicep. So, easy bar standing tayo. Okay? So, medyo well grip yung hawak natin dito pag nilalaro natin to. Okay? Hang up my heart like a arrow. I've been searching. What does that mean, Nate? I've been learning. Grabbing my keepsakes, leaving my burdens. Well, I brought a few with me. I'm not perfect. Looking at the view like this concerns me. Picking up the cues right. I'm quite and it hovers over you. Millions of lives. You don't relate to that? What's the beat's crazy design? The point I'm making is the mind is a powerful place, and what you feed it can affect you in a powerful way. It's pretty cool, right? Yeah, but it's not always safe. Just hang with me. This will only take a moment, okay? You know, hoping it dies. Try to hold it underwater, but it always. Okay guys, so pangalawang workout natin sa bicep to. So single arm standing dumbbell. Okay. So counting na ito, siguro kahit mga 15 gumawa kayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hanggang 15 yun guys ha. Okay, just think about it for a second. If you look at your face every day when you get up and think you'll never be great, you'll never be great. Not because you're not, but the hate will always find a way to cut you up and murder your fate. Take a look at the benefits. Thought you wanted me to go up. Why you trying to keep me thinking now? More than me. Number one is giving no way. So happy, what's the meaning now? I thought you want this for my life. For my life. Monday, shuffle, Tuesday, everybody. The whole world. Okay guys. So, itong gagawin ko naman na to na workout guys. So, ano naman to? Yung kanina 'di ba nakatayo single arm. Nakatayo siya. So, ito naman twist na ito. Ito nakaupo, sabay. Okay? So, yung siko medyo may iwan sa may likod. Hindi siya nandito. Okay? So, nandito siya then. Okay? Ayan. Ganun siya gagawin ha. Okay guys, so ilan na ba to? 1, 2. So pangatlong workout na natin to sa bicep, no? So ito guys, may twist tong gagawin natin sa bicep. Una 20 lbs, half lang yung buhat, hanggang dito lang. Okay? Pero full range yung baba. Okay? Full range din. Hanggang dito lang. Katapos makasampo, baba na tayo hanggang 15. Tuloy lang yun. Then mag-breakdown tayo ng 10 pounds. Half naman, pero pataas naman siya. Dito lang siya. Okay? Para mas lalong bumilog yung bicep natin. So, yun yung ano natin. Okay.
So, sabay to guys ah. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So, breakdown tayo ng 10 pounds. Then, continue. Pero, yung half naman sa taas. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2.
All these bills. How are they going to get paid?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, can, and will be used against you in court of law. If I got locked away, I lost.
Look at all these bills. How are they going to get paid?
Okay guys, so dito tayo sa bench yung na-adjust no guys. So pwede siya maging flat bench, pwede siya maging incline no. So ito yung purpose niya. So dito guys, yung siko medyo nakahulog papuntang likod, okay? Then pag binuhat nyo yung dumbbell, hindi sumasama pataas. So may iiwan lang siya. So dito lang yan. Okay? So mas maganda ma-full range nyo. Makuha nyo hanggang dito. Para yung shape ng bicep mas maganda. Okay? Six. 8. Okay guys. So pang-limang workout na to. So last ko na to sa bicep no. Then yung pang-apat na ginawa ko kanina yung sa incline bench na adjust. Okay, yung sabi ko nga yung kamay, medyo yung siko medyo naiiwan. Okay? Yun yung purpose nun. Then dito naman guys, bicep pa rin to. So dito tayo sa bicep curl. Okay? So last ko na to. Wala na ako ibang gagawin. So last na. Ha! Ha! Ha!